Hey guys, how's it going? How to make a transparent watermark on CapCut. First of all, go ahead and open it up. Let's say, for example, I want to go ahead to this project, right? So I'm going to go ahead to this project. Now, what I'm going to do in order to make my own watermark, I'm going to click the overlay at the bottom, middle, and then click add overlay. And I'm going to add my green screen video. I have an already green screen video. Hit add at the bottom. As you can see right here, you're going to see the subscribe. See the tools right here at the bottom. Swipe left. You're going to find the remove BG. Click on it. And then click the chroma key. And then you're going to just move this to just make it disappear. Right? You can also make it invisible and add a shadow to it if you want to. You can add a feather, right? And then you can also make it, right? You can just, yeah, you can make it invisible like this. Hit the check mark right here, and you can add it at any part of this video where you're gonna be able to basically add your own watermark. So as you can see right here, you're gonna see a watermark, and you can duplicate it or add more of it, so you can extend. However, basically, like you can extend it to the minute or to the limit of or to the length of that video. So if you like what you see, hit export at the top, and then you're gonna be able to save to the device. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.